Seaway Ventus is our new-built jack-up vessel for the installation of offshore wind turbines and foundations. As a leading offshore wind installation contractor, we were very proud to introduce Seaway Ventus to our fleet, adding wind turbine installation capabilities to our offering for the first time. We can now install the full offshore wind park infrastructure, including cables, foundations and wind turbine generators.
The primary focus was to ensure that the vessel would fulfill the industry requirements and be ready to contribute to Seaway 7's vision to build an efficient and sustainable energy supply for the future.
The first projects for the Seaway Ventus were Ørsted's Gode Wind 3 and Borkum Riffgrund 3, the largest offshore wind farm to date in Germany. We were contracted to provide the vessel for the transportation and installation of wind turbine generators on the project. Once completed, the combined wind farms will consist of 106 Siemens Gamesa 11 MW wind turbines, which will contribute a combined 1.2 gigawatt of green energy to Germany that can power an equivalent of about 1.2 million households. The Seaway Ventus loaded out the wind turbines at the Danish port of Esbjerg and transported the turbines to the offshore wind farm location in the German Bight. The Ventus jacked up at each location to establish a stable platform to erect the wind turbine towers, install the nacelles and finally the wind turbine blades. We installed 40 complete wind turbine generator units.
Throughout the vessel design phases and the project planning, the collaboration was strong between our team and Siemens Gamesa, who provided the wind turbines and installation services to a mutual client. In the planning phase, our joint focus was on optimizing the vessel layout to ensure a safe and efficient offshore installation campaign. By working together as one team, we successfully achieved this goal.
The vessel exceeded performance expectations in several areas, including transit speed. Both the client Ørsted and the turbine manufacturer Siemens Gamesa commented the excellent operational performance of the Ventus. Safety was a key focus throughout the operations, and with special attention on stop-the-job authority and near-miss reporting. Predictable performance is what we strive for on all Seaway 7 projects. And it was achieved on Borkum Riffgrund 3 and Gode Wind 3 in a collaborative team effort with Ørsted and Siemens Gamesa.
The Seaway Ventus is capable of transporting up to 4 times 11 to 15 megawatt wind turbines per trip and installing full wind turbine towers of up to 137 meters in height. Furthermore, the telescopic main crane makes the vessel versatile and enables both installation of some of the largest wind turbines in the market when the boom is extended, as well as some of the heaviest monopile foundations when the boom is retracted. The jacking system is built on reliable and proven technology, and during project execution, the performance of the vessel has been as predicted and in some respects even exceeded the expectations. The flexibility in the design of the vessel enables fast turnaround for the next project. Within a week of completing the turbine installation on Borkum Riffgrund 3, we had demobilized the vessel from the wind turbine installation project and remobilized to support another of our clients with transport and crane services for wind turbine maintenance work. The vessel will soon move to monopile installation, demonstrating great versatility of the vessel.
The addition of this new vessel to our fleet means that we can now provide services across the entire offshore wind value chain. This gives us a unique position in the market and strengthens our world-leading status as an offshore wind contractor. The expertise of our onshore and offshore teams has been instrumental in achieving this success. They also were working in close partnerships with Ørsted and Siemens Gamesa and managed to deliver the complex wind turbine installation projects safely and efficiently.